Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today, as I said, we're going to take a trip. We're going to go along Soi Arunotai. I got it right at last. And we can start at the beginning in Klang Central Road. This is Klang. Directly opposite that is a bus. Directly opposite is the Big C Extra shopping. Now down here, along Klang, from here down to Beach Road is 700 metres. Take you down to Beach Road, take you down to Soi Buakhao. Soi Buakhao along here is Soi 13. The BART buses are not regular like along Soi Buakhao, Second Road, Beach Road. You haven't got the demand. They do come down here, but I'm just telling you, they're not regular every 2 minutes. But they are there. So, Soi Arunotai. We'll go down. We'll start around the Shagwell Mansions. I'll show you rooms there. So while I'm going down there getting ready, we'll go over to Kev and check out the exchange rates for today for you. So let's get down there while Kev's showing you the exchange rate. So here we are at the TT currency exchange for the 30th of January 2018. And it is. So that's the exchange rates there. As I said, TT currency exchange. Right, back to Kev in Soi Arunotai. Let's see if he's ready now. As soon as you get into Soi Arunotai, I mean, there's the traffic lights just there. Straight in, you've got a family mart, but all around over the back there are lots of long stay apartments. So you need to be here, come down, check it out if you like the area. We'll carry on up now, get up to the Shagwell Mansions. Right, we're about 200 yards down, near Granville, just along in front of me. We'll start here. This block here, I did just pop in. She said monthly was 6,500 baht per month. Whenever, 1 month, 12 month, up to you. She said electric was 9 baht per unit, water was 30 baht per unit. It's a bit much. It's the electric, not the water. The electric, you'll be coming out at 12 to 1,400 baht a month. I should think minimum for electric at them rates. So, but looked okay, didn't have a room to show me. What I did see, if doors open, people were in. They looked tidy, much tidier. All along here you've got these little sois off bars, restaurants. Just outside you've got a large, that's the Niram Granville just down there, large 7-Eleven. There's plenty of 7-Elevens and family marts. It's a bit sleepy during the day along here, which is nice. You'll be sleeping most of the day anyway. Plenty of bars, little complexes. Normally opening around 4 PM. You'll probably get a beer now. But there's not a lot happening. Shagwell Mansions Hotel. Let's go in and have a quick look at the rooms. Okay, this is the standard room at Shagwell Mansions. Shagwell Mansions. Sorry, every time I see it, it makes me chuckle. Pretty much the same size as the Granville. Obviously, decor's better. TV's not much different. Shower. Fridge. Shower. Quite close, but won't get wet with the screen. Wardrobes. Yeah, you could paint up in the Granville and have a clean up very, very cheap, and probably have it looking as much as this. This small balcony. There's the Granville over there. Or was it Arkwright? It's one of them. That's the Granville. So to stay here, standard 14,000 baht a month. I will find out, but I believe that will include a utility bill. They are not moving on the price, whether this is 1 month or a year. They're saying 14,000 baht a month. So make your own mind up. 9,000 baht a month more. But for that you do get the salubrious name that you live at the Shagwell. Yeah. Anyway, that's the standard room at Shagwell Mansions. I'm not going through all rooms. They go 14,000, 15,000 and 17,000 baht a month. Standard, deluxe, premier, whatever they want to call it. So, box on. They just said the electric and water is on top of the 14,000. Electric at 10 baht per unit, water at a standard 300 baht per month. That is, the electric will probably come at, it sounds like, double electric company rates, and the water, I mean, I pay 160 to 180 baht a month for my house water. So I think the only one being Shagwell is you. But a nice place. Yeah, okay. Anyway, box on. And I am hungry outside here at Wombat Sports Bar. Yeah, eats roots and leaves. That's what we all do. I'll have a quick breakfast bite to eat, and we'll check out the menu. We won't check out the menu, we'll check out the breakfast. So quickly check out the breakfast there at the Wombat. Hey, there it is. Comes with coffee, orange juice, 2 toast, and that for 139 baht. Directly outside there and there, and next door to Shagwell Mansions. I shall enjoy it. I'll get back to you. Would I hit the spot here? Not a bad breakfast. 139 baht. Yeah, it was okay. Okay, carrying on again. This little pool here, in fact, for what I understand, all of this is sort of a semi-part of Shagwell Mansion. I don't know how much. I know they share the pool, so idea of some of the prices for the food. And carrying on down, Arunotai it's a great little road. There are plenty of apartments, hotels, places that you will find here for long term for living. It has plenty going on. There's also a little postal services here, just outside the Niram to the right. Well, that's handy to know. You'll get a taxi from here to Soi Arunotai for about, I should think, 60 baht. It's not expensive. You need to come here if you're looking for a long-term retirement. You'll need to come here, rent something for a month, and then start looking about. That is the advice I will give anyone. You are not going to find anywhere online, sitting in the UK, sitting in America, Australia, wherever you are in the world. If you're looking for long-term rentals, you have got to be looking while you are here. You need to come out, rent somewhere for a month, and then start looking for where you actually want to be for your long-term basis. This is looking all, well, you can see it's looking pretty new. They're still doing the finishings. I'll quickly go in and check and ask if they do a long-term monthlies, find out something. Give me a minute. Okay, so the Max City apartment condos are starting at 11,000 to 16,000 baht a month. They said the studio started at 20 square metre. That seems small, but the larger ones are 33 square metres. It does look quite a nice place. So, it's info for you. So let's carry on. Chase that old Mercedes. Well, maybe not. Cocoon? I'm not sure. It's an LK condominiums. Looks like LK Legends. LK Legends service residence, monthly stay. It looks very nice. I should think this is very expensive, but let's ask. Well, it certainly is a nice building. Very nice swimming pool. A bit of a water feature. We're going into the lobby. We'll find out what a monthly is. For those of you that like the the more salubrious comforts. Back with you in a minute. Okay. LK Legends. Don't get me wrong. it is a salubrious place. Studios, 43 square metre, 36,000 baht per month. 1 month, 12 months, doesn't matter. Does include electric and water. Superior studio, 55 square metre, 37,500 baht a month. And from there it goes up there. I'll show you hopefully on here. So that's the rates for those that were asking about, you know, 5,000, 6,000. What about us that want a bit special? Well, this is special. All right, feel better now? Let's box on. I'd say the rates include water and electric, not breakfast. I think breakfast another 1,000 baht. Joking. And here we are back at the Wombat Bar, Arunotai, next to the Shagwell Hotel, Shagwell mentioned. I've shown you around here some more cheap rate hotels, apartments, some bars. We all know what bars look like overnight. They got their lights all lit up. They're like little fruit machines that you just want to make them flash. So anyway, bringing it to an end, and a cold beer. I deserve one, I really do. It's a hot day today. It's about 33 degrees. I'm on my bike, the crash helmets, or the head oven. Who's that behind me? Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. It's given you more of an insight of this little area. We're finished with it now. If you want to see the bars of a night and what's going on there, come down here. When you're out here, you don't need to see it sitting there, you need to be part of it. Yeah, why not? Anyway, I hope you've liked it. It's given you an insight of the area, the Soi, all along Soi Arunotai. Yeah, now that I've learned how to pronounce it, I ain't going to stop. Anyway, if you have enjoyed it, if it's given you any information, helped you, give it a thumbs, a like up, a share, like anything. Give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. Of course, if it was absolutely useless to you and you didn't want to know but you've sat through it all this time for nothing, give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. How about a beer? Why not? And subscribe. You haven't got to. Totally up to you. There'll be maybe some better stuff, something coming along that you do need, some information you do want. I'm all over. I'll be going all over the place. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.